Hey everyone, I wanted to show you my new toy. So I found this at a Goodwill store. It was really cheap and it was brand new. And I couldn't believe that someone did not pick it up. So what I've been doing is I've been using my skillet here. This is what I usually use to roast my garlic. And it's a pain. So this is really cool because I'm not trying to sell you, but if you see one of these, try to get it because they're like the coolest things to have. It's like my new toy. And I take a whole garlic like this and I peel it and then I just cut the top. And that's all you do. And then I have it on. Of course, it has its, oops, let me take this out. I have it on and it has this little gadget thing here that you can easily, see, you pick it up. And then it's got a ring on the bottom. So you have to clean it, you know, make sure you clean it, sanitize it. So it has a ceramic ring that causes it to heat up nicely. And then I add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the top of this. And you can add salt if you want. And I'll tell you. And then you close it. That's all you do is close it. And it will do a cycle. I think it's like 27 minutes. And when it comes out, it's so buttery. It's like a spread. It's delicious. I couldn't stop eating it. And not only that, it's pretty healthy. At least for me it is. and then you have a nice roasted garlic. You do lose some of the tips unless you really want them. So these are the tips. Sometimes I put them back in there. But oh my God, it's like the best tasting garlic ever. It's better than using a pan. So this is for all you home cooks and for all my kids out there that are cooking. Just wanted to show you that really quick. It's so if you're a garlic person, you could put the garlic on toast, you could put it on baguettes, make bruschettas or whatever you want to make, or if you want to make a homemade pizza. This is really good. And if you want to make, or if you want, I put it in my salsa after it's done. So I just squeeze it and put it in my salsa. Usually I'll cook, if I don't cook the garlic with my salsa, I'll put it in. But it's so good. You could just spread it on a toast or baguette and oh my gosh, it's so good. If you're a garlic person like me, make garlic toast. This is like the best thing to make for garlic toast. Okay, or garlic French bread. I just wanted to show you that really quick. Yeah, and you don't open it up. You let it go through its cycle and let it do its thing. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Alrighty, that's my kitty cat crying for me. Alright, talk to you later. Bye-bye.